Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm making very delicious fluffy mango pancakes. Sure, you've probably had a variety of pancakes or waffles with various toppings on them, and that's quite easy. You probably had blueberries in the mixture of the batter. Perhaps you've had chocolate chips. Bananas are another common one. But what about a mango puree right into the batter? Have you had that? Well, we're going to find out if this affects the fluffiness of the pancakes. So you'll find out if I'm successful or if it's a fail. And I'm going to be making my own secret sauce to top it off. It's not just going to be plain maple syrup. You'll find out. I'm really excited to get started and of course enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! I'm going to cut our mangoes so that we can puree it. India is the largest producer of mangoes in the world. Florida is the largest producer in the US. In India, mangoes are a symbol of love as well. There's a legend that the Buddha meditated under a mango tree in the shade. Here's our beautiful mango. I'm adding a 3/4 cup of our vegan milk, our Bettermoo milk. I'm adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You want to let this sour for 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is blend up the mango. Woo! Didn't see that. I'm going to blend it with the soured milk. Now, will it turn out this way? We'll find out. I also have 2 tablespoons of melted Earth Balance. So we'll pop in 1 tablespoon of Earth Balance. Oops, a little sloppy there. Whew. Okay. Here we go. Find out if this method will work out. Take a look. I'm starting with 1 cup of all-purpose flour and we're going to gauge it to see if we need to add more since we have the extra liquid component, which is the mango. I don't want to overdo it with the flour. So I'm going to have some flour set aside. I think got 2 tablespoons of our raw sugar. We have 1 tablespoon of Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. And we have our baking powder, baking soda, cardamom, and salt. You'll see all the measurements in the description. Woo! This is exciting. For a unique touch, I'm adding some orange blossom water. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon. Oops, it has an extra lid, I forgot. Okay, a tablespoon of orange blossom water, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, organic. We got our dry ingredients all ready to go. I'm gonna gradually mix in the liquid. And we're gonna gauge it. It should be thick, not too thin, because we're not making a crepe batter. And I think it should require about a tablespoon or so. Yeah. Tablespoon. I'm gonna add it tablespoon by tablespoon. It's looking fluffy though. Give you a closer look here. You can see the fluffiness. So now we're up to 3. You don't want it to be runny. I cooked some cranberries in a small sauce pot with a little bit of liquid at the bottom. We're gonna add some maple syrup. So we're just gonna blend this up. There's simple cranberry sauce. Pan is hot. I'm just gonna get some oil, grapeseed oil on the pan. In the early 16th century, a Portuguese ship made its way from Brazil into Goa, India, and it brought with it some mango shoots from Brazil. Alfonso de Albuquerque was a general, and he ruled Portuguese India from 1509 to 1515, but he took possession of Goa in the year 1510. And the Portuguese farmers started to graft those mango shoots from Brazil onto the Goa mango trees. To everyone's surprise, it bore an incredible fruit, unlike any other mango they tasted before. It had a unique sweetness with a little bit of a tang. It was so juicy, buttery, didn't have any fibers, it was just buttery smooth. This fruit became very valuable, and they dubbed these mangoes Alfonso mangoes. Now worldwide, they're known as King Alfonso mangoes. I'm doing a 1/4 cup at a time. I can smell that hint of cardamom in the mango as it cooks. Pour on the sauce. Need something more dainty to work with. Don't want it to come out all at once, you know what I'm saying. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious, fluffy mango pancakes with our cranberry maple sauce that I made. And these aren't just any ordinary mango pancakes. It's all blended up into the batter. I'm really excited for this. Oh yes, they look so fluffy. Of course, they had to add extra mango on top. Now, let me try not to make a big mess as I show you. Pure heaven. So good. Just taking a moment to take it all in. It's so delightful. I really love those mango flavors. I love the contrast with the cranberry maple sauce. It's so wonderful. Little hint of the cardamom. And of course, the orange blossom water. So there you have it, everyone. Another delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets. Perfect for breakfast or a fancy little brunch if you're hosting. I'm sure it will delight and impress your guests. Feel free to drop me a line down below. Let me know if you plan on making this recipe or if you've ever tried this before or seen it before. I thought it was unique myself, especially with the cranberry sauce to go along with the pancakes. I mean, who thinks of a cranberry sauce for pancakes? I haven't seen it personally, but it worked out beautifully. I want to take a moment to show my gratitude for all my subscribers, whether you're old or new. And if you have yet to subscribe, feel free to do so. It is a free and easy way to support my channel. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button if you do like this video, or if you see how anyone could benefit from these meal ideas, hit the thumbs up button. It only takes a second, and I truly appreciate it. Also, feel free to share this video with family, friends, or anyone who comes to mind who might enjoy these types of videos so that they can get some inspiration in the kitchen as well. Remember, there's going to be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Be sure to hit that bell icon so you stay notified when a new video pops up. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.